Hello guys, it's your boy here, Matt J. I hope you're all doing well. I think it's already start of spring. Last week or a few days ago, we started the what is called the meteorological spring in the UK. So I had a bit of cold a few days ago, just getting over it. So my last video, you could actually hear me like doing my nose, like things like that. Yeah, but I'm getting better now. I'm fine. But I'm quite excited right now because the journey with Tentrade has been going really, really well. Like I said during our webinar of last week, I mentioned that I will be trading and withdrawing on Tentrade, then get the next account. So yeah, it's all good news, guys. It's all good news. Remember that the purpose of PropFirm account is just for us to be able to use that little amount of money, and then you get a bigger account, kind of giving you more power, like you have more money to trade with. So guys, we are still on Tentrade. I already covered about a few minutes of video on Tentrade whereby I tried to make a withdrawal. So without wasting you guys time, I'm just going to go over to this account and see what exactly is going on. And we will be purchasing another account, which is going to be the $3,000 account. Remember, the next withdrawal, then we should be going for the $10,000 account. This is how we trade. Trading is not just about, flashing all those millions of dollars on real account and confusing, new traders that are just trying to get themselves involved in Forex trading. And this is really happening. My last webinar, I emphasized the importance of, the new traders to be relaxed and don't just get carried away with a lot of false lifestyle. So guys, we already discussed how I was able to place a trade with Tentrade, and I also mentioned that it was my first time to actually seriously trade Tentrade account. And remember that Tentrade, they have the possibility of you having a live funded account, and if you go on their website, you could notice that they have 1,000, I think 3,000, 10,000, and so on and so forth. It just simply means that you have to be very, very disciplined. And as a matter of fact, if you are not someone that is very disciplined, you need to get yourself to that point that you should be disciplined, because if you're not disciplined, the market is going to punish you for the Forex trading is a very disciplined lifestyle that we enjoying it. During my trade, my Forex trading years, I made a lot of mistakes whereby account was lost, revenge trading, greed, and all sorts of things, not having the right knowledge. So a lot of things that is part of learning curve for me. So I've learned quite a lot. I've made a lot of mistakes. I think this is why mentorship is okay, so because you are able to learn from those people that have already made all these kind of mistakes. So you do not have to go over that mistakes and by yourself. You have someone to hold your hand. So as you can see, this is not a fictitious account. This is my full name here. That is the account number. Well, I don't need to blur it, but there it is. I have this account and I was trading with Tentrade. I took it very seriously, and I would like to also talk about my thought process into trying this account. Because it's a $1,000 account, initially I was not very serious with it, if I'm being honest, until I said, you know what, I need to be serious with this so I can just get the cash out of it. And one of the biggest mistake I made was I was actually trading different pairs. And remember that Tentrade also, they have what we call you being able to be consistent. You need to be consistent with your trade. So consistency is very important when you are trading with Tentrade. It simply means that if you're using, in my own case, 0.01 to enter a trade, you cannot just go from that to maybe one full standard lot size, because you are trying to recover. You need to be very consistent, and you should have your trading plan. You should have all those, all those little things. They are very important. And you just make sure that you are consistent with your trading. If you are going to lose 1%, there was a time I actually lost 2%, I think even almost 2.5%. I was not really bothered. I closed the trade and I waited for another few days or 1 week. Then I entered that trade, I recovered, and eventually I was able to make about, as I showed you guys, 25%. And during my last video, then I was able to place withdrawal. And the great thing, I was quite really surprised, to be honest, because I submitted for the withdrawal, and within less than about 12 hours or so, and I got a message, and the message is somewhere right here from the help desk. I got a message, I should check my account, and I checked, it's part of this one, the withdrawal, and they sent me that message. They said the withdrawal show, which is my full name. Nothing, it's not hidden. That's why I'm called Matt J, because some of you guys might maybe find it difficult to pronounce the last, the full name. So they said your withdrawal has been executed and funds added into your wallet. So what did I do? I then went and checked my wallet and see what the account balance is. Under funds, I have withdrawal funds. I've not made any withdrawal, have I? Yeah, that's if I'm going to make a withdrawal. Transfer funds. Something I also want to talk about was, let's see if I can show you guys exactly what happened here. It's just a way of encouraging you guys that you don't need thousands of dollars to actually trade. So I think it was sometimes last year, I made a deposit through my British account wallet. I deposited about $49 and I bought this account for $39. Can you imagine that? And I was given $1,000 self-funded account. So I made 25% from that account, and I was given my own share. The ratio for sharing of profit with Tentrade is 70 to 30. So I was given mine, which was about $176, which is really fantastic. So without boring you guys, let's just quickly see what I'm going to do next. I want to see open live accounts. I don't need that, do I? So guys, when you now look at the current status of this account, I can actually request for withdrawal of my account, which is, I have the option here, and as you can see, my wallet is now $187.13. So that means that I am able to buy the next available account. The good thing is, just this morning, I received an email from Tentrade. They are actually having a promotion, guys. I will try and release this video today or tomorrow, so that if you can still catch up. I think this is going to be till the next on the 10th, which is on Monday, 10th of March. Advantage of this, I have not been contacted by Tentrade whatsoever, and I don't get any kind of penny, for doing this video. This is just my own experience with Tentrade. So guys, so I have this in my wallet, but I'm not going to make this withdrawal. But if I want to withdraw, these are the options. I have bank transfer in US dollars, I have in euros, I have in pounds. I think I prefer cryptocurrency because I tried that with my recent withdrawal from a different account, and that was very, very instant. Let's see if it's crypto, what's going to happen? So they're asking me to upload details. That's fine, but that's not what I want to do. So we need to get the next account funded. Apply now. This is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. So I'm going to be applying for the $3,000 account. Remember, it's called the mini account, and yeah, 15 days standard payout. That's what they said. No scaling. Maximum drawdown is 9% and daily drawdown is 6%. Minimum trading days is 5. Consistency rule, guys. Remember, I said consistency rule is very, very important. So minimum trade size. If you're not a greedy person, this should be okay. Just trade gradually and start adding up your profits. You know what I mean? Don't be too greedy, guys. So yeah, so the sharing profit is 70 to 30 and registration is 110. Okay, so if you go with this one, I think I should go with this one. Okay, so we have the option here, purchase another account. Let's see if I click on that. Funded. Let's see. Okay, instant funding, that's what we do. Account size, so we are going for the mini. This one here, that's how we do it. Okay, interesting. It might be left blank. There is something I need to check here because I know they are having a 20% discount. Let me see how that's going to work. So guys, I've just noticed something. The discount actually starts on Monday, which is on the 10th of March, but already purchased this $3,000 account with Tentrade, and I'll be starting this trading on Monday. So yeah, my account balance should be less than previously. Yeah, so now I have $77. So I bought my $3,000 account. You could see how I did that. If you have any question, let me know. I will be trading this $3,000 account. And do not forget also, I have the $1,000 account as well. So now I'm having two accounts, and I started with just about $40. With that $40, I was able to acquire the $1,000 account, and I also get the $3,000 account. So I will let you guys know, what's going on, and if we are getting the next one, which is $10,000, and that is how we're just going to continue, piling up this account and making withdrawals. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and join the group Telegram. Be part of the team. Sometimes I do send my buyers to the group, and we also do hold webinars sometimes as well during the week, most times weekends. So yeah, thank you for watching the channel. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any question, if there is any video that you want me to actually cover, just let me know. Drop your message down and let me know so I can cover this. So this is Tentrade. I think I'm done right here. So we now have two accounts. So I'm pleased with that, and I'm just going to be doing my analysis and get ready for next week. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.